So this is my review of iOS 27 Beta 7 after 3 days of usage on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's check the battery health, and I am at 99% with 282 cycle count. On the third day with 72% usage, I got 7 hours of screen on time. This is about the same as Beta 6. My usage is light to medium with social media apps, YouTube, and video editing software, and about 70% of Wi-Fi usage and 30% of outside network on cellular data. On the second day, I got around 7 hours of screen on time on 88% of battery usage. And on the first day with 90% usage, I got 8 hours of screen on time. On average, battery life is lower compared to Beta 6. System data usage has now been increased to about 16 gigabytes. When I installed Beta 7, it was around 10 gigabytes. But iOS usage has reduced by about 3 to 4 gigabytes. Performance is very good along with heat management, and I have not noticed any app crash which was there in Beta 6. Swiggy app got crashed once in Beta 6. There are no frame drops when we use default icons, but I like to use clear and tinted icon. But there are frame drop, especially in recent app menu when we use clear or tinted icons. I really hope this gets fixed in the Beta 8 update or the RC release of iOS 27. This problem is annoying me a lot, and that is keyboard slowdown. Noticed how long it took to open the keyboard. I'll try that again. Open WhatsApp, and as you can see, it took a lot of time to open keyboard. Similar thing is happening with photo library. As you can see, it will take a lot of time to show up the photo library. I disabled Face ID as well, but it didn't fix the issue. Network performance is slightly weak compared to the earlier beta of iOS 27, and also the Wi-Fi bar is upside down in control center. Maybe because of slightly weak performance of network, I'm experiencing a bit less battery life compared to earlier betas. Camera experience has been very good so far. I have not had any problems while using camera, let it be taking photos or videos. Also, there is no lag when we switch to other lenses, and I have not noticed any degradation in video or photo quality in every lens compared to iOS 26 stable release. Should you install iOS 27 Beta 7 on your primary iPhone, I would suggest you to stay on iOS 26 stable release because the RC release is not so far away. But if you are on Beta 6, then yes, you can install the Beta 7. If you found this video helpful in any way, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.